Hey guys. Wait, it's not it. Hey guys, we're doing a fidget trade. We are showing my fidget, which is I got this dinosaur one from a mail. It's called a push pop bubble dinosaur. Oh, you see that I have monkey noodles right here. Look at all these monkey noodles wiggle. How do you guys rate this? All these monkey noodles. And I got this curly, I forgot what's called again. This is kind of a stretchy string thing. Nice feeling it. Stretch. Oh. I got my other puppet, which wasn't from the mail. I just bought it. Oh, and then we got the mochi. Sorry guys, that's my mom. Wait, can I shake this one? Wishy! Oh, and then I got this bracelet. I want to show you it. I had to put it on a glass. Wait, I think it goes like this. See, it's a bracelet. Oh, and then I got this. You hear it? Very long. It doesn't even fit on the camera. Switch it. I think it fits a little bit. Oh, and then I got another one, which my mom did. Oh, sorry guys, it's kind of dropped on the table. Round one. It doesn't even fit in my camera. I got a marble mesh. Let's watch. I got Infinity Kill. Infinity in the eye. Sorry, that was my little brother. Oh, and I got this little emoji. And it's bouncing up. Whoa. And then so first we got is 4 marble meshes. We got, where's mine? Okay. We got 4 puppets. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monkey noodles. And a lot of this. We got a whole bunch of. Oh, and we got this. Okay, right, ready? Look under. Chicken. Wait, what is that under there? Yeah, what is that? Yeah, let's just ignore that. Oh, and then we got 1 more, so that accounts 8. Whoa. Got 3 unicorn. bracelets. We got 4 of emojis. We got uh, 4 spiky balls, which is they're nice and good for your hand because they feel good. And we got 1 infinity cube, which is never stops. Oh, and then we got 2 elves, which is, I don't know where the other one went, like what's going on. We got a laughing emoji guy, which is you can stretch it, squish it. It's kind of squishy. We got a chicken. Yeah, I showed you this already. It's also stretchy. It's very fragile right here. Oh, and then we got this message ring, and then we got 2 of these. Okay, and then we got 2 of these. I forgot what these called. Well, we got 2 of these. Oh, and I like this one. I forgot to show you this one. Oh, we actually have. Okay, we got 6 actually. 6 spiky balls. See them? There's 2 of there. See? We got 1 soccer ball, which is, this one's not as bad, but this is the bad part. Both of these are good parts. Like boop, 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 boop. And then we also, I love like how like the yellow one looks. There's like a black one in here. I wonder what they make out of marble. Cause that's why it's called a marble mesh. And I wonder what they make out of chicken. I won't pop it. Chicken. Oh, and wait. Yeah, I showed you this already. And then I showed you unicorn, which is nice and squishy. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. I show you this monkey noodle. What you could do out of it is you could just rub it around, like whatever you want. There's a good idea that you can make a bracelet out of these, not just the other thing. Oh, and then did you know that these could bounce? And this could take apart and you could put it back on. Oh, and did you know that this could bounce like a bouncy ball? I just bounced it. What's going on over there? I love this poppy because look at it. Move, 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 move. Wait. Okay, sorry guys. Move. Movie. Move. Okay, see how that I have, I don't want, okay, so, okay. Why is it so bright? There's 2 good sides and even the tail. Or order this from Amazon. If you want to order it, you have to order it from Amazon. That's the only best place in the world. It finally came. It took like 2 days. This was the only one that was not that long. Finally came. This one is kind of, it's like more softer. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, these are the good parts. I kind of how I like it when it does that noise. Like a pop, 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 pop. Oh, and I love how the belly looks like. What can you do with this one? Do this. It's like looking, it's staring. Oh, and I have a. Oh, and then I need. Wait, I need. Okay, so I have a lot of these marble meshes. And then the message ring, which is, it kind of feels good. Like this, and it's stretchy, and then... Oh, and then I have this one, which is, I didn't show you, it's kind of messy. Which is, I kind of messed up. And also, that's it for the video. And I did. Bye. Say bye.